Do you know how ordinary white paper is transformed into Chinese currency? The techniques involved are so advanced, they're considered second only to nuclear secrets. Let's explore how China manufactures its currency, the Renminbi. All RMB is printed exclusively at China's state-owned printing facilities. Because currency isn't like regular printed material, the process is extremely complex. From hand-carving engraving plates to final printing, a single banknote goes through at least a dozen steps. This intricate craftsmanship is what makes the RMB one of the most advanced currencies in the world. One of the most fundamental and difficult steps is the hand engraving of printing plates. It can take months or even years to perfect a single design. Once the design phase is complete, the next step is paper selection. Since currency changes hands frequently in daily life, China uses pulp made from long fibers, mainly cotton and flax, to produce the banknote paper. During the paper-making process, special treatments are added to ensure the paper is resistant to wear, folding, acids, and alkalis. As a result, the paper becomes smooth, strong, durable, and hard to replicate. It also contains watermarks that are nearly impossible to forge. After the paper is ready, it moves on to the printing stage. RMB is printed using a special technique called Intaglio printing, which gives the surface of the banknote a raised texture that can be felt by touch. There's a well-known saying in the printing world, no intaglio, no currency. However, traditional intaglio printing machines can only print one side at a time and require drying before printing the reverse side, wasting valuable time. To fix this, in 2010, China developed the world's first dual-sided intaglio printing press, known as the SD model. This groundbreaking machine solved a long-standing global problem and earned China international patents in Japan, Switzerland, and Germany, saving huge amounts of time and boosting production efficiency. After passing through several printing stages, the paper is printed with detailed patterns and unique serial numbers, making each banknote traceable. Next comes the cutting process, which is fully automated. Machines cut and sort the banknotes into standard sizes before moving them to the quality inspection stage. Under bright lights, quality inspectors check each note for defects, misprints, uneven colors, or watermark errors. Currency production is tightly controlled. Any defective or rejected banknotes must be logged and destroyed under supervision. After passing inspection, the finished banknotes are temporarily sealed and stored until they are officially released into circulation. China has become a printing powerhouse. Since opening up Kati to the world, it has issued 4 generations of RMB, each representing significant improvements in printing technology. But many people don't know that in the early years after the founding of the People's Republic, China lacked the technology to print its own money and had to rely on the Soviet Union. However, when relations with the USSR soured in the 1950s, the Soviets tore up their agreements and stopped providing technical support. Left on their own, China's printing pioneers worked tirelessly for 3 years to develop everything needed for the 3rd generation RMB: paper, ink, engraving, anti-counterfeiting features, printing technology, and machinery, all by themselves. From that moment, China's currency printing industry became fully independent. Today, China's capabilities are so advanced that it now helps other countries print their money. In August 2016, after beating top companies from the UK and France, China's Banknote Printing Corporation won an international bid to print 200 million 1,000 rupee banknotes for Nepal. Nepal plays an important role in international finance, and their 1,000 rupee note is the country's largest denomination, so their standards for security and design were extremely strict. Yet China fulfilled the order in just 5 months, from winning the bid to delivering the first batch, and then used entirely domestically produced paper, ink, plates, threads, and printing technology. This speed and quality highlight not only China's rapid technological progress, but also the resilient and innovative spirit of the Chinese people.